users, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss the week 5 assignment of our course developing soft skills and personality. These answers are most probable answers, and if you think that there is some possibility of improvement, then you can also suggest your answers. So the last date of this assessment is 29th of September 2021. So without taking much time, we are just moving towards the very first question. In the book, the medium is the message, the wheel, book, and clothing are considered to be the extensions of certain human body parts. Identify the corresponding order: food, eye, skin. Name the author of the following quote: our machines are disturbingly lively and we ourselves are frighteningly inert. Donna Haraway. What does the following imply? As man works in assembly line, he appears to serve as an appendage. Workers on the assembly line can be replaced by machines. Identify the most appropriate email etiquette while sending a follow-up email. Make sure to keep your tone extremely polite. Which of the following traits show that you are addicted to social media? Texting people and WhatsApp while you are in the presence of guests. Identify the mistake to avoid while answering an email. Make sure your email is impulsive. Identify the most appropriate measure that you can adopt to overcome your social media addiction. Build real life connections that are gradually replace your virtual socialization needs. Identify the correct way to end a formal email that started with the salutation, dear sir, madam, yours sincerely. Your irritation shown towards leaving your mobile in switched off mode for 2 hours indicate that you are a mobile phone addict. There are 6 different types of people who have been sent to receive a foreign delegate. Which kind of person is likely to be sent again the next time? The person who listens carefully to everything the delegate says and always responds in a polite manner. Which among the following are part of essential telephone skills? Be an active listener. Be polite. What does it mean to say that the boundaries between man and machines are blurred? In our current societies, the abundant infusion of technology with our lives has made it an integral part of human civilization. Organisms are no longer bodies of knowledge but biotic components, a kind of information processing device. It is possible today for machines to perform most of the work that are performed by humans. In today's world, there are many machines that are impersonating to be humans. From the following objects, identify a few that have become such natural extensions of the body that it is difficult to imagine our lives without them: clothes, spectacles, and shoes. Understanding cybernetics allows us to understand the following: who controls technology, who benefits technology, and how does the cyberspace operate. Identify some of the effects of the overwhelming presence of technology in our lives today. It makes us capable of accomplishing a wider range of tasks than a previous era where the infusion of technology was not so rampant. It makes us lazier. Technology manufacturers and big corporations influence a lot of our decisions because the products they manufacture become integral part of our lives. Identify a few things to avoid when you are composing an email on the behalf of your company. Start with a personal conversation. Write a long and vague subject line. Be incoherent and ambiguous, allowing the readers to make their own meanings. Identify a few things that you would adhere to while writing an email to a friend of yours. Avoid being too formal. Avoid beating around the bush. Hi sir, sorry to inform you that I will not be able to take tomorrow's exam. Please postpone it. Sometime my stomach is paining badly and so I kindly ask you to take action lovingly. Salutation, spelling, grammatical, punctuation. If you have to send a lengthy text to your colleague, identify a few ways in which you can make it more readable. Organize your ideas into neat paragraphs. Convey the gist of the message in the introductory line. Try to be as concise as possible despite all the information you have to pack in. Mention a few things that one should keep in mind while composing the subject line in emails. Do not write in all caps. Concisely write the topic of the email so that it is clear to the reader that what the email is about. Mention clearly important details such as the venue, date, and time of a meeting. Massive infusion of technology in our lives influence our thoughts pattern, thinking capabilities, and ways of communication. True. Donna Haraway said, I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction. The world will have a generation of idiots. False. A cybernetic organism is a fusion between topography and technology. False. Control, benefit, choice are the three watchwords to keep in mind while using technology. True. Sacrificing a few hours of sleep each day to be on social media helps one maintain one's mental and emotional health in the long run. False. So this was all from the assignment 5 of our course, developing soft skills and personality. So see you guys in the next assignment video. Till then, thank you very much and take care.